Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 6, Conclusion. In this chapter, we will conclude our discussion of residential rental property. In this lesson, we will take a look at other IRS publications that may be helpful when learning more about residential rental activity. Taxpayers may be interested in the following: IRS Publication 334, Tax Guide for Small Businesses. IRS Publication 530, Tax Information for Homeowners. IRS Publication 534, Depreciating Property Placed in Service Before 1987. IRS Publication 547, Casualties, Disasters, and Thefts. IRS Publication 551, Basis of Assets. IRS Publication 925, Passive Activity and At-Risk Rules. IRS Publication 936, Home Mortgage Interest Deduction. And IRS Publication 946, How to Depreciate Property. These and other IRS publications include helpful instructions, example worksheets, and instructions for seeking additional tax help.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.